Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your chart of the week. I got a request from one of our trading community members to do a video on Sun Power, symbol SPWRA. So the question that he asked was, has the stock bottomed yet? Okay, so it's not a stock that I normally follow, but we can take a look and see if there are signs of any bottoming process that's going on. Now, as always, I always like to do a top-down approach, meaning look at a chart from a weekly or monthly chart and then narrow it down to a daily chart. So you can get a long-term view and then go to a short-term view. So the first thing we're looking at is a 5-year weekly view of this stock right here. The main thing that really pops out, let me go into a log scale so you can see this better, is that this stock is still in a rather decent downtrend. It's always been able to stay underneath on this 50-week moving average, and right now it's staying underneath this 20-week moving average, so momentum towards the downstride is still pretty strong. Recently it also broke underneath this pretty strong support of $20 right here, so again, things aren't looking too good in terms of bullishness for this stock. Now, one thing I do want to point out is if you look at stochastic, it is approaching oversold right around here. Now, the last time it was oversold was back here and back here. Now every time it hit oversold, we got a pretty decent bounce just like that. So if this continues even lower, stochastic will actually hit oversold, and we can probably expect a pretty decent bounce if that is the case. The other thing that I want to point out is potentially it could be wedging, forming an ending triangle or an ending wedge. Usually this is a sign of a last leg or last type of a move where prices are still moving lower, but it's getting narrow and narrow into some kind of triangle right here. So if this is truly an ending triangle, I would consider maybe taking a little stab at it right around the bottom of this triangle, right around here. If it breaks through, you can easily get out, because then it's no longer an ending triangle, it's actually a failed pattern, and that tells you shouldn't be holding it anymore. But definitely, if this is a true triangle or ending triangle, then as I mentioned, it wouldn't be a bad idea to start taking some small positions right at the bottom of this triangle here. Okay, let me go into a daily chart. Again, nothing really much stands out about this stock other than it just wants to keep going lower. It just broke through another new low today. So in terms of trying to pick a bottom, it's really hard. Not until it starts to hit some kind of this support level, this declining support line on this triangle, then I would consider it. But as far as right now, it seems like there's still more downside to go for this.